Get in the car!
Good morning, guys. Coming to you guys live from Shizuoka. We're leaving today. We're heading to Aichi. It's about 3 hours and 30 minutes away from here, so we're gonna take you guys along for the ride, of course, as we, journey across Japan. Yeah, we've been to a few prefectures so far. Now it's time to head to another one. So we're on top of a mountain, Mount Chiba, right in Shizuoka. After driving up this very, very windy road, it's a very dense forest. The forest is very dense, right? So we lost signal while we were live streaming with you guys.
This spot that we stopped at has like some parking spots. It's actually like a cycling station stop. They just closed up shop. They apparently usually serve udon and soba. There's a temple up these stairs, perhaps a 7-minute walk up. Chimanji Temple.
So my wife and daughter, as you can see in the background, they're heading upstairs. A temple. There's a washroom up there, like 7 minutes away from here. There's also Chimanji Temple as well. If you guys were watching the live stream, you would realize how we got up this mountain, Mount Chiba. I was driving to Aichi, and then I saw a sign that said Shimada City, and I'm like, you know what, hey, let me just take a left and go up there, see what it's like, and see what the Chimanji Temple looks like in the middle of almost nowhere. The question is, how are we gonna get back down this mountain before it gets dark? It's almost 4 p.m. and we need to find somewhere to stay tonight, so let's see how that goes. Okay, going up the staircase. Whoa! Almost missed a step. Oh, the woes of vlogging. How was the trek, Jay?
It's fine.
This is what we're trying to get to. Come on, Jay. Jog it out. Jog it out. It's quite high. There's a little hole in this tree. Again, we're still in Shizuoka, right? Look at this. Check out these stairs, crazy, right? Chimanji Temple. I'm sweating like crazy. There's a reason for that. It was worth the climb, you know?
The view is crazy. The trees are enormous.
Say that to the monkeys that
Cedars.
are not here.
You know the Bible talks about the cedars of Lebanon?
I gotta say, man, this is a beautiful temple. Very old, look at it. These are the things you see, when you just take a random turns when you're on a journey across Japan. My daughter's around there. She's terrified of the bugs. Trying to get my attention right now.
Here is a quick history lesson. Chimanji Temple, no, not Jumanji. Chimanji Temple was founded at some point during the 7th century and is an ancient temple of the Tendai sect and is located in the mountain of Mount Chiba at an altitude of about 496 meters. After that long trek, this is on point, very, very accurate. After the end of the Heian period, it was a mountain temple that was a sacred place for training. And in 1964, it was designated as a national monument. If you guys recall, when we were making our way up the staircase, you saw some majestic trees. These are actually cedar trees, right? 10 to be specific, and they're all said to be between 800 and 1,000 years old. If you have the chance, you have to come and visit Chimanji Temple.
So there's a washroom here. Not something that most Westerners are used to, and it can be terrifying when you see this one. This is your only option. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's a squatter, right? So you gotta squat, but don't be terrified as long as you ain't gotta go. And then the normal urinals for the guys. And that's the same thing my wife said that's in the female washroom. So yeah, when you're traveling, some places may only have the squatter, right? So try to get used to it, or try to hold for as long as he possibly can, because he got to be ready for it whenever it's time to go.
It was interesting. The trees around going up the stairs was beautiful. Very peaceful, listening to all the semis and the atmosphere. The air is clean here. It's nice. It's nice. Get in the car! Get in the car! Get in the car! I got my bug spray ready. One goes right up on your head.
They pitched on me, yeah?
You better make sure there's no pitch on you right now.
These hornets swarmed the car just now when I was down there in the parking lot, and they were attacking me outside. My wife caught a little clip. I might share the clip with you guys in a second. Not sure why, but we gotta go now. Tiffany, what are you saying? What should we do?
We should not come here again because you just got attacked by some big bugs.
So we have a rice field. I want to give you guys a close-up shot of it. Here we are. Every time I drive past this, walk by this, ride by this, I'm always just fascinated by how beautiful this thing is. Look at it. It's one of those things, I think it's a staple, and something that most of us look forward to whenever we're traveling to Japan, the countryside, things like this. I find it really, really beautiful. Take a closer look. You see, this is what I'm saying, man. Like, we found a temple because we relied on serendipity. So we've arrived at our home for the night. It's Kandio Hotels in Shizuoka. In Shimada, the prices weren't that bad. So we're going inside right now. Crashing here for the night, and the journey, of course, continues. Very, very, very windy place. We're here. So they have a spa, or maybe more like a bathhouse. They have a spa here, right? Like a sky spa. But they alternate between male and female. So there's a certain time that women can go and use it, and another time that men can go and use it. But anyways, I ain't going because it's public. I'm not one for those public type of experiences, but Jay might go. This is a view through the window at this hotel here. This is what you call dinner, guys.